So we are on Namaste and we're meeting Manny. How is it going, Manny?
Hello. Hi. How are you?
Awesome, awesome. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
We're having a wonderful boat show and we're seeing
We
Namaste.
are in Namaste and we can come inside to show you around the place and the boat, and you can take a look. Here is our saloon. We have set up our table. Usually our table is setting up like this when we have our dinners with our guests.
And we have our water toys right here, a big tender, the water sports.
We have a lot of water sports for all the kind of ages, kids, adults, whatever they like. And I can show you around the cabins.
Please.
We have 4 cabins for 8 guests in this boat, and we can start from the living room now.
The living room or the salon.
Saloon.
Nicely set up.
Okay. Some canapes from our Santa Maria. And we can go to the master cabin. Down here.
So the port cabins. Starboard first, good. Oh, that's a big master.
I can hear.
An extra entrance, so it can be entered from 2 sides. Separate bathroom, shower, large storage area,
You
separate
have
from the bedroom.
Small office here.
So, a vanity desk.
And here you have another one cabin.
So this would be the VIP. Shower.
And let's go from the other side. One more cabin from this side here. And here is our galley. Here we go. I can show you around on our flybirds. Please follow me.
Thank you.
After you.
A hammock, I like to see that. Very nice.
And all our guests love it.
And a very modern navigational console. Imagine it would be really easy to sail. I think everything is hydraulic if I see, and everything is here. So boom, boom, and
Exactly, it's everything electrical, so we don't have to climb to the mast to do the main sail. So
which in practice means that you sail more because it's easier.
all the guests want to sail. That's why they rent the boat or sail. So we make it so easy, so the captain can do it on alone if I have work downstairs, and it's so easy to do it in one person.
Wonderful.
Great, but I can show you on our saloon in the front, where the most of the guests prefer to sit. can go from it. This is the lovely spot.
Very comfy
Yeah.
and inviting. Imagine the kids have a lot of fun on the trampolines. Mm-hmm.
Always with safety, of course.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
Great. What else can I tell you? That most of our guests are enjoying to have nice and comfortable, relaxing our couches, and the kids love to play with tubes, with sea bob and all the water sports where we have here. And the chef we have, Maria, is so nice and tasty food and so Greek.
Can you put me in one place? Maybe somewhere in the Cyclades. Where are we? What is for dinner? What is the ideal scenario?
Usually I can explain you one day how we go. We wake up in the morning, we take our breakfast, we do our swimming or our sports, whatever the guests like, and after we change our spot to go in a different island, to visit the island for swimming also and lunch. And after, if they prefer and like, they can go out or walk to see the sights from the island we have visit, and they will return for dinner on the boat for sure, because Maria is so good.
It's always great to have a wonderful chef aboard.
Yeah. And this is how a day can spend, but wherever we go, Cyclades or Ionian, everywhere is so special. And this boat usually doesn't go ports, we stay on anchor.
On anchor? Oh,
Yeah.
Wonderful. So you wake up and you're in the middle of the bay, you can
Exactly.
jump in the water,
Anytime you want.
take some water toys, play with the kids.
Of course, we go to the port after a request. Okay.
Manny, thank you so much for
You're
showing
welcome,
me
Bob.
around. No, namaste.
Namaste. Thank you.